Hello friends, welcome back to the Ek News. Guys, some pictures of Madison Cawthorn are creating a buzz on social media in which he can be seen wearing women's undergarments. He is widely known an embattled Republican congressman. Madison Cawthorn hails from North Carolina. Previously, he came into the media limelight when he accused a Republic follower of calling him to a party and forcing him to wear underwear, which was said to be a party setting. Now is creating headlines with his leaked pictures in which he can be seen wearing women's undergarments and enjoying the moment. Yes guys, now people have started unfolding the pages of his history and personal life. Well, Madison Cawthorn is currently 26 years old and he hails from North Carolina. He was raised in a Baptist church located in Henderson County, North Carolina. Moreover, he built his political image and personality with the help of Christian principles and also by giving importance to hyper-masculinity. Once, he also delivered excessive comments on podcasts in Washington about sexual perversions, but later he admitted that his comments were excessive, due to which he got people's disapproval and bitterness from his fellow Republicans and leader Kevin McCarthy. Now he has become a subject of the town once again by the release of string of his leaked pictures. Well, according to the sources, these pictures were provided to Politico by an individual who is close to Madison Cawthorn in his campaign, while another person confirmed to the source of the images, but the date of the pictures is not known. Moreover, it is apparent that Madison Cawthorn is in a wheelchair, indicating that these pictures were taken shortly after his accident that happened back in 2014. Now his opponents are taking the advantage of his viral pictures and damaging his political image. Also, there is not much information related to this, but if we get any further update or any further information related to this, then we will definitely update you. Till then, keep visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much guys.